Hello everyone, welcome. In this video tutorial, let us together create a stock in and stock out balance tracker in Microsoft Excel, like this. Here, if you change any number in stock in, it will automatically change in stock balance. The same way, if you change here in stock out, will be changed in stock balance. Let us get started with a new one. Prepare a spreadsheet in Excel like this. Now let me add some items. You can add more items. Let us create a drawdown list in token, an item column, select your range, go to data, data validation, from list, source of list, select your list, select the items, select more cells. You may add more items in the future. Hit enter and then OK. As you can see here, drawdown list in token is created. Let us create drawdown list in stock out as well. Select this one, Control C, an item column, right click, paste special, validation, and then OK. Drawdown list is created in stock out. Now let us add few transactions here in stock in and stock out. Let us add items, TV. Here we have quantity. Okay. In balance quantity column, we have to subtract the total stock out from stock in by using SUMIF function. From range, select stock in item range. Press F4 to look range, comma, stock balance first item, comma, select stock in quantity, close the brackets, minus, again SUMIF, select stock out item range, F4, comma, again select first cell and stock balance, comma, out quantity range, close the bracket, and then enter. Scroll down this to the rest of the cells. Let us try with another item. Here, if we have 50 item in the stock in, and in stock out, we have 30. As you can see, it will automatically calculate it for us. If you change this number to 20, the number in stock in is changed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comments.